Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Dose 24. I'm your host, Vishwas Maurya. Today, we bring you the latest developments surrounding the altcoin XRP and its recent price fluctuations. One thing is that if you first time in my channel, please subscribe and press notification bell icon. In today's videos, we'll discuss XRP's significant drop over the past month, the activity of large holders, and the implications of recent market trends. Let's dive into the story. XRP's price has fallen by 18% in just 30 days, and experts suggest a quick rebound is unlikely. After reaching an impressive peak in January, XRP failed to sustain its momentum and is now poised to decline further, potentially dipping below. Recent data shows a worrying trend among large holders. The amount of XRP held by addresses owning over 1 billion tokens decreased from 24.73 billion to 24.63 billion. That equates to a sell-off of 100 million tokens within just 24 hours, which represents $200 million at current prices. Historically, such a decline from key stakeholders has correlated with price drops. Moreover, the open interest in XRP's derivatives market has also plummeted from over $3 billion in January to a mere $1.3 billion now. This reduction indicates a bearish sentiment as traders are closing their positions, a sign of weakening market participation. On the technical side, analysis shows that XRP has formed a head and shoulders pattern, suggesting a potential bearish trend. If XRP breaks below the neckline at 2.02 cents, it could fall to around $1.60, with further declines possible down to $1.07. However, if buying pressure increases and XRP holds above this neckline, we could see a recovery and potentially rise to 2.78 cents or even $3. That wraps up our coverage on XRP for today. Stay tuned to Crypto Dose 24 for the latest updates in the cryptocurrency world. I hope you will get good information. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your support.